Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Typeform templates for lead capture apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Typeform templates for lead capture apps, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Typeform website. Log in to your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on Explore Templates at the top of the home page. Use the search bar to type in lead capture. Browse through the available templates designed for capturing leads. Click on a template that suits your needs. Review the template details presented on the screen. After reviewing, click on the Use Template button. This will redirect you to the editor interface. In the editor, customize the template as needed for your specific requirements. Adjust questions, design elements, and settings to align with your brand. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, look for the Share button in the upper right corner. Click on Share to find options for downloading or embedding the form. Select your preferred method of sharing or collecting responses. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your download or sharing options. Your Typeform template for lead capture is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.